What makes one of us is next so addictive? Today, we dive into the suspense.
Hi Tanisha, welcome to Between the Pages.
Hello, Anna. I'm very excited to be here actually because it's my first podcast. So, yeah.
Thank you so much for joining us. So, can you introduce yourself to our audience?
Yes, I am Tanisha Samantrai and I am the co president of our book club in my school. And today we're going to be talking about One of Us is Next. So, I think it will be quite fun to talk about.
All right. So, tell us how you got to know about this book.
So basically, a friend of mine had recommended this book to me. So I started reading the series. It's a trilogy, right? So I started reading and I was quite excited as it's a murder mystery series. So I got into reading and then I just couldn't stop. So I kept reading and somehow the books just got over and I was just awestruck sitting there.
So, how did you get into the habit of reading? Because you have a book club in your school, you read a lot, essays.
So actually, when I was younger, I hated reading. I just thought, oh my God, what is this reading? Why is everyone reading so much? And I already have studies and everything, so why? But then I was in Bangkok for 2 years, right? So then I got into reading. We had a library in our school. So I started reading with my friends and they were like, try reading. So I tried. And then when I tried, I started with Geronimo Stilton. So I was quite excited reading his books. So I kept reading, exploring more through the pages and the worlds and everything. So fantasy, drama,
Fiction.
comedy, fiction. So I've read everything and I quite loved reading all of that. So I just got into reading and I'm still there and I won't ever stop.
That's nice to hear. And have you ever helped someone get into the habit of reading? Because it's such a magical experience for you as a person who helped them,
Yes.
and them as a person who became a reader.
Yes, I absolutely helped a lot of my friends get into reading. Even they were exactly like when I was in the beginning, they were like, why read and everything? But when I encouraged, I felt very happy and I got encouraged to help them more and encourage them to help other people
Yeah.
so that we get into reading more because of everything about devices and all of that. It's better if you read, right? Because why use devices when it's so busy world?
So, would you prefer reading on a Kindle or like a real life physical book?
I love a physical book because honestly, Kindles, according to me, Kindles are still like a screen, right? So I prefer the hard copy, the smell of the book, the feel, and the imaginations. I prefer that.
Yeah, cool. I agree.
Yes.
I used to have a Kindle, like क्योंकि buy करना इतना वो नहीं होता था,
Right.
जगह किधर रखेंगे,
Exactly.
इंडियन घर, बुक शेल्फ नहीं है इतना बड़ा सा
Yes.
कि
Common
जितनी-
problem.
हाँ, so I had a Kindle and Kindle Unlimited पे जितनी books पढ़नी पड़ती थी.
Right.
But then I don't know how I broke it.
Oh no, I've never had a Kindle, so I read from PDFs, but I still prefer books. So I usually go to libraries and borrow because too many books, too much congestion, and then money. Money is the main problem.
Yeah.
Because they are too expensive. So then that's why I prefer libraries. Guys, you have to go to libraries.
But I feel like their prices also like
Reasonable.
understandable and
Right.
reasonable because
Yeah.
have started reading writing a book
Oh,
and
wow.
it's pretty hard.
Oh, okay.
So like 1 साल 2 साल worth of time you've worked on it, more than that
Right.
some people.
Yeah.
So then it's kind of worth
It's
it.
worth it, yes. I will definitely read your book when it comes out, and I hope it gets famous.
Thank you so much. So can you give a brief of what this book is about?
Yes, so basically, this book is about 4 people. So, right, this is the second book. So, basically, in the first book, there were 4 suspects. I will not give spoilers. So, there were 4 suspects. In this book, we have 3 different people who are somehow related to the other 4. And basically, there was a guy who is killed in the first book, and this person in the second book is his successor, and he is creating a game called Truth or Dare. Okay, so in Truth, basically, if you choose Truth, you have to say something. Wait.
That's okay, cool.
Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, so basically, if you choose truth, then basically a truth about you will be revealed on the app, the very famous app that the person has created. And if you choose dare, you will get a very deathly dare that you have to complete or else you die. And if you do not respond, you still die. So basically, it's very deadly. and you are supposed to choose one of them, right? So if you do not choose, you still die. So it was quite an intense book. The games were crazy, and even the people were all haywire.
And the fact that इस book में हर इंसान का पर्सपेक्टिव मिलता है, कभी कभी
Exactly.
एक ही चीज पे वो पर्सपेक्टिव मिलता है, so it's very heavy. So how did you handle reading the book? एक ही बार में पढ़ लिया या break करके?
When I start a book, I am usually very enthusiastic and very curious about what is going to happen next, right? So I just finish. Usually, I have many books which I finished in one sitting, which I'm not supposed to do. That's too big and it's not healthy. I
Healthy,
guess.
yeah.
I don't think that's healthy, but I have the habit, and I'm proud to say that I love that habit. So I read this in one sitting, and it was quite interesting because we have three people's perspectives. So you don't get bored, and then there's a suspense with each chapter that is going on. So
Yeah. I kind of forgot the characters' names, but what do you think of their relationship as a friend circle?
as a friend, actually, there were three of them: Maeve, Phoebe, and I think there's one more.
No, what do you think of everyone as what was their
I
club's
think
name?
They don't exactly have a club.
They
were just
named it a
trio.
crew, like. No, I'm not talking about the trio. I'm talking about everyone. Cooper, Ronald,
Right.
Nate.
So in the previous book, there were four people. So they were named the Bayview Four.
Yeah.
Right. So they were the main people of the suspect list. So after that, there were these three, and I would say that all of these, even these three and the previous four, they have quite a good relation. They help each other and they understand each other, even though they didn't know each other well. But somehow they just connected, and then it just began.
Considering the situation,
Yes.
they had to bond.
Yes, so they had to bond, and then they got together, and everything was just fantastic.
So, what do you think of the ending? Did it satisfy you?
Yes, I think according to this, because there was a cliffhanger, so I would say yes, it was pretty satisfying, but I am very much dying to read the next book. So
I think that's why I messed it up, because if this book doesn't, if they don't have a name yet for their crew, then there's a name for their club
Right.
in the other book.
So maybe in the next book they might have a name.
Yeah.
So let's hope. I'm going to read the next book, and I
I
hope it
can
is
see
good.
you bubbling
Yes.
over. I want to read it.
Yes.
Okay, so what if you were to hang out with one of these characters? Who would you choose? And that person will pay for your food.
Oh, okay. So I would say I think Maeve is a pretty good person to hang out with. She's quite fun and enthusiastic. Like, it quite matches what I feel usually. So I would pretty much hang out with her. And food is, I think it's okay. I don't mind. Food is okay with anyone sharing. That's not.
I would definitely go hang out with Nate. I would
Oh.
want to ride his motorbike.
Yes, that is also a very good point. Even
Yeah.
Cooper's quite nice with
Yeah,
sports.
Cooper. Yeah,
Yes.
sports. If I had to play sports with Cooper.
Definitely Cooper.
And what's Knox good at? I would want to hang out with him as a person, though. He's so cool.
Yes, he is like a very good friend which you have, and he would help you out in anything and everything
Yeah.
you would want.